everyone. My name is Zoe, and in today's video we are going to be looking at how to do a horizontal hip 8 with level changes. So we have looked at the horizontal 8 just standard before, but now we are going to incorporate changing our height with the movement, which is a very, very important thing to learn in belly dance. Of course, all the basic movements are the fundamental, but if you want to take your dancing to the next level, so to speak, you want to be thinking about level changes and adding them into your dance. It is also really great for improvisation, if that's something you're working on, because definitely a big problem many people have with improvisation, I certainly have, is that we start to feel like we are doing the same movement all the time. And so we end up throwing in so many different movements, and it becomes this kind of busy, crazy mess. And in fact, usually if we think we've been doing a movement too long, it's probably just about right in terms of what the audience will think. But level changes are a good way to stay with the same movement, but add a little extra to it. They're also really great in terms of your musicality and emphasizing different places in the music. So very, very strongly recommend that you work on these. So let's look at them with regards to the horizontal figure 8. So just to briefly review our horizontal 8, of course, there's a video where we go into that in more detail, which you are free to check out. But you're just going to twist the hips here, slide to the side, twist, slide to the other diagonal. Twist, slide, and smooth it out. And that is the basic technique of the horizontal 8. And here in this basic version, you want to have your legs straight but soft, which is a position we often use. So especially for the horizontal 8, if you have really straight, like locked legs, that's going to be very damaging towards your knees. You want to have a little bit of give in there, because of all that twisting. But you don't want to have them bent, because that would be a level change, and we'll get into that in a second. So this is just the basic horizontal hip 8. Our hips should be staying entirely on one level. If you're wearing a hip scarf, you should be able to see. Let's go the other way. So again, this is just the same twisting, but now sliding to the back, twist, and slide to the back, and then come around. So just exactly the same, but in the other direction. Okay, now how can we change our level? Well, we can go down or we can go up. To go down, the best way, the easiest way would be to bend our knees, right? Do a plie. So that's going to bring us down. And to go up, we are going to come into releve, so with straight legs, rising up onto the ball of our feet and keeping our heels high, core active. That'll always help those releves, and coming down, up and down. Releve is also very good to practice. So those are our level changes. Now let's try just doing the horizontal 8 on the different levels. It's not exactly what we're going to do, but it's a good exercise. So bend your knees and try to do that same horizontal 8. It's going to be, you're not really going to be able to keep it 100% horizontal, but this is also great for your quads and going the other way, just to get the feel. So this would be a very low horizontal 8. And now, again, this is not something that I would do the whole time in releve, but coming onto releve and here trying to do that horizontal 8. This could look cool. You might want to use this. It's kind of difficult. And then going the other way. So now we have a horizontal 8 that we can do in all 3 levels. And now, as you can see, we're going to combine them. And the way that you can combine them however you want. But what we're going to do in this video, and what I like to do the most, is just do one with a level change and then come back to neutral. So for example, we do bend our knees with a nice big half horizontal 8 and then come up. 2, 3, 4, and let's go the other way. Bend and coming up and bend and up. Bend. You see, it already brings so much more excitement into this movement, right? So you can be doing, you know, just your standard horizontal 8 here and then add that level change. I think it looks so cool, and it can be really good for emphasizing something in the music. I also usually would probably slow down a bit there, so slow and big, and then coming back. Again, it really depends on the music and the feeling you want to convey. Let's try that going the other way. So down with the hips coming forward and back up. Down, back to neutral. Down, back to neutral. Down, back to neutral. Of course, you can do more. You can go down and then, you know, do like 7 here or something. It's up to you and up to the music. Okay, now let's try the same thing with the releve version. So we're gonna come up as our hips come around and then back to flat feet. Up and back. Up and back and up and back. Again. Up and back. Up and back. Up and back. Up. Good, let's go the other way. And flat. Around, up and flat. Up, flat, up. Good, let's do 2 more. So up and flat and up and flat. So there you go, with just adding that little extra bit, little plie, little releve in there. You can change your dancing so much. And it's so much fun. Once you start using these, you can also, of course, do it with many other movements. I think it just works really well with the horizontal 8 in particular. So let's put on some music and just drill those a little bit, doing the plie version and the releve version, going front and back, and practice our level changes. That was just a little introduction to level changes. and how you can start incorporating them into your dance, which I really hope you do. Again, I just think it looks so cool and is such an easy way to immediately bring your dancing to another level. So if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a like, subscribe to the channel, or share with any friends who might want to see it. Thank you so much for watching, and happy practicing!